there, it's Marlene from ImageMaven.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do next level selfies, like hands-free. Now I know you can use your cell phone and set up Wi-Fi and use it as a shutter release, but this is a whole different way. Alright, let's set this up, and I'm using the Lumix G100 for this demo. You go into the time-lapse shot menu, and what you want to do is turn the interval setting on, and then you set up the interval itself. So you can go into here and let's say I want 10 shots, and then I want to have a space of 2 seconds between each photo, so an interval of 2 seconds. And once that's ready, you push start, and I like to flip the screen around so I can see myself. Get into position. Once your time lapse has been completed, it asks you if you'd like to create a video. I do not want to create a video in this case, so I hit no, and then you play back your images. Okay, so in playback mode, you can choose between normal play and picture group playback. So I'm going to choose the normal play, and I'm just going to scroll through like normal and see all of my 10 shots in my sequence. And you might lose a couple, you know, the first frame or two in the beginning when you're just pressing that shutter button. But once you get rolling, you're good. I suggest you do at least 10 to 15 shots. I mean, you can do less when you start, but it's good to practice a few times. So do at least 10 shots to get on a roll, and then check your settings and do another 10 shots and stuff like that. As far as focus mode, you can go into face eye detection, but honestly, if you're close enough to your camera, you can just use custom multi or 49 area and just tap the middle of the screen when you're ready to shoot, and it'll stay focused on you as long as you don't move around the screen too much. But if you're worried, definitely go into face eye detection mode. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.